सर्वेभ्यः नमस्कारः। प्रार्थनां कुर्मः। वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावतीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। गतवासरे अहं न आसम्। लक्ष्मी महोदय मम स्थाने स्वीकृत्य शिक्षितवती इति मन्ये। सो पुनरावलोकनं कुर्मः। इदानीं स्त्रीलिङ्गशब्दाः पुनरावलोकनं कुर्मः। So Shivani ji, were you there in the last class?
Yes. Okay.
Okay. So hope you found that class useful, the Srilinga Shabdas and all that.
Yes.
Okay. So, and after that, in this class, we will look at Napumsakalingam. So similar concept. So we have done Pullingam, Strilingam, and now Napumsakalingam in this class. So both Ekavachanam and Bahuvachanam. So we'll introduce to number of Napumsakalinga Shabdas in this class. So that is the topic of this class. So now we'll start with the shloka and the subhashitam. So shloka, being Navratri, I included this shloka. It's maybe a popular one. Many of you know. Sriram Mahodaya, do you want to read the shloka?
सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते.
Yeah. So there are 2-3 things. I mean, the shloka is straightforward. It is about the Devi. So if you look at this, Narayani namostu te namostu. So my namaskarams to you is the thing. So who are you? So that is all given in several sambodhanas, like calling the Devi. Okay. So that is why if you look at this, Sarva Mangala Mangalye is one word. Okay. Sarva Mangala Mangalye means you are the auspiciousness that is present in all auspicious things. Okay. So Mangalye. So if you look at this, it's Mangalye, it ends with A, it's a Sambodhana. For Srilinga, Sambodhanam ends with, for if it is Akaranta Srilinga, it ends with A. For example, Sita, the Sambodhanam is Site. That you will learn later, but just this is all in Sambodhana Pradama. Similarly, Shiva, Sambodhanam is Shive. So the word is Sarvamangala Mangalya Sabdam. Okay, the Shabda is Sarvamangala Mangalya is one word. Sarvamangala Mangalya, Akaranta Strilingam. Okay. So that when it changes to Sambodhana Pradama, it is Sarvamangala Mangalye. Similarly, Shive. Shive is Shiva. So there is Shivaha, that is Akaranta Pullinga Shabdaha. There is Shiva is the Akaranta Strilinga Shabdaha. And that Strilingam, when in Sambodhana Pradama, it becomes Shive. Okay. Then next word is Sarvartha Sadhike. So again, the Shabda, Srilinga Shabda is Sarvartha Sadhika is the Shabda. Now, when you are doing Sambodhana, it becomes Sarvartha Sadhike. Sarvartha Sadhike means one who can fulfill all our wishes, all our needs. That is Sarvartha Sadhike. Sharanye. Sharanye is one worth surrendering to. Sharanye. Trembake. Trembake is, I think, with 3 eyes. I think Devi also is said to have 3 eyes. So Trembaka is the Shabdam. Similarly, Sharanya is the Srilinga Shabdam. That becomes Trambake or Sharanye. So next two words are interesting. Okay. So normally people say Gauri, Narayani, they do the Dirgha. Actually, it should have Rasva. That is why I highlighted this here. It's a common mistake. Even in many of the WhatsApp postings around the shloka, they make this mistake. Gauri, they put Dirgha. Narayani, they put Dirgha. It is actually the Gauri, Ikaranta Strilinga Shabda only actually. Um, the it's actually Gauri Shabdam only. It is not, but when it is Sambodhana Prathama, it changes to Hrasvam. So Gauri Shabdam, when you call Gauri, it becomes Hey Gauri. It becomes a shorter form. Okay. So similarly, Narayani Shabdam only, Ikaranta Strilingam only, but it becomes Hrasvam when you call. So this is because everything else is Sambodhana. This is also Sambodhana. Narayani Gauri. So this is short form. This is you have to say. So Sarva Mangala Mangalye Shive Sarvartha Sadike Sharanye Trembake Gauri Narayani Namostute. See the thing, you should not give a dirgha sound there. Okay. So that is, I wanted to point out, being Navratri, this shloka you must have heard in a number of places. It's a very important shloka and very popular shloka. But these are some of the things to note. So I also included this because this is all Srilinga Shabdas. So Gauri is Ikaranta Srilingam, Narayani is Ikaranta Srilingam, and Trembaka, Sharanya, Sarva Mangala Mangalya, Shiva, Sarvartha Sadika, all of these are Srilinga Shabdas, which you learned last class. Now, I also included one Subhashitam. Now, Subhashitam, this has got nothing to do with Srilinga per se, but just to introduce more words in the thing. Shivani ji, you want to read this?
Okay, I will try. उद्यमेनैव सिद्ध्यन्ति कार्याणि न मनोरथैः न हि सुप्तस्य सिंहस्य प्रविशन्ति मुखे मृगाः.
So
Gadyarupe.
this is called Padya Rupam. Padya Rupam is in the form of metrical shloka. So Gadya Rupam means it's prose order. So that prose order is also given. You can read that also.
Gadyarupe उद्यमेन एव कार्याणि सिद्ध्यन्ति न मनोरथैः सिद्ध्यन्ति सुप्तस्य सिंहस्य मुखे मृगाः न हि प्रविशन्ति.
Okay. Kim Avagatam, what did you understand?
Simha means lion.
Yeah.
So without any effort, the lion cannot get its food.
Yeah. So the second one is an example. The first one is the message. Second one is an example. So Suptasya Simhasya means the sleeping lion. Okay. A sleeping lion, just by keeping its mouth open, and if it sleeps, the deer or whatever animal will not come and directly enter its mouth and be its food. So if it wants food, it has to wake up, it has to hunt for its food. Then only it will get it. Just because it is the strongest, animal, it cannot get the food just by sleeping and opening its mouth. Okay. So that is the example. So similarly, the message is Udyamenaiva Siddhyanti. Udyamenaiva Siddhyanti means only through effort Karyani Siddhyanti. Karyani means all the efforts.
Result.
You get your job done, jobs done only through effort. Na manorathaihi, not just by thinking about it. So you have to actually do work to get the things done, not just merely thinking about the work. So that is what is said in this. So the Subhashitam. Okay. So Udyamena eva karyani siddhyanti na manorathaihi siddhyanti. So this any work can be accomplished only through effort and not just merely thinking about it. So suptasya means sleeping. So there are swapna means dream, jagrat means waking state. The suptam means sleeping state. Suptasya. Simhasya muke mrigaha nahi pravishanti. So it doesn't enter. Okay. Animals. So mrigaha, you can see this is bahuvachanam. So what is the ekavachanam for this? Sriram Mahodaya, can you guess?
Mriga.
Mrigaha. Okay.
Mrigaha.
Mrigaha, mrigaha. Okay. So that is why pravishanti, you have not probably heard about the kriya padam, but kriya padam is also in plural because this is bahuvachanam. So pravishanti is also in bahuvachanam. Okay. So those are the points here. So actually the meaning is given in English. Success in life can be achieved only by hard work or effort and not by merely wishing for it. No animal will enter into the mouth of lion that is just sleeping. Okay. This is the Subhashitam. Now, before we go into this week's class, I just want to do some recollection. Punasmaranam. Punasmaranam means recalling. Okay. So Nama Padam. I hope you know what is Nama Padam. So you can broadly say it nouns, but any word that is not a verb is generally Namapadam in Sanskritam. Okay, so even adjectives can be Namapadam. Okay, so Lingam Vachanam Vibhakti Anusarena Namapadam Bhavishyati. So it is influenced by Lingam, Vachanam, Vibhakti. So we spoke about all of this in our class. Then Kriya Padam, Purushaha Vachanam Lakaraha Ityanusarena Kriya Padam Bhavishyati. So Purushaha means the first person, second person, third person. Vachanam again is number. Lakaraha means tenses or moods. Based on this, Kriya Padam changes. So the key thing again to recall is Kriya Padam is not influenced by Lingam at all. So for male, female, neuter, all of this, the Kriya Padam will remain the same. It won't change. Similarly, Nama Padam will not change for first person, second person, third person. It will be the same. Okay. Then Pullingam, Srilingam, Napumsakalingam, male, female, neuter. We saw this is on the words themselves and not necessarily on the objects that the words refer to. So I gave an example, a wife, for the word wife, Sanskritam has 3 words referring to that. Okay. One is Daraha. Daraha, I think. That is also wife. Bharya is also wife. Kalatram is also wife. Okay. So wife wife as a person is female, but these words have different genders. Daraha is Pullinga. The Bharya is Strilinga. And even Patni is Strilinga. Whereas Kalatram is Napumsakalinga. All of them refer to wife only, who is feminine. Okay. So these are some of the differences you have to kind of be aware when you're reading Sanskrit. So Sanskrit, you can't go with the object's gender. It is more around the word's gender. I think in Hindi and other languages also it is like that only. There are some words which carry gender. Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bahuvachanam. This is the number. Ekavachanam means singular, Dvivachanam means dual, and Bahuvachanam means plural. So as I said, Sanskrit, unlike other languages, also has a dual number, Dvivachanam. And then Bahuvachanam is plural. Okay. So we are currently seeing only Ekavachanam and Bahuvachanam. We are not seeing Dvivachanam. We will see that later. And then Pratama Purushaha, Madhyama Purushaha, Uttama Purushaha. Uttama Purushaha is first person in English. I, we, and all that is first Uttama Purushaha. Madhyama Purushaha, you, the person sits, second person. And Pratama Purushaha is the third person in English, which is they, he, she, all of that. So that's the another difference. So Pratama Purusha literally translates to first person, but it's not the same as the first person in English. Pratama Purusha in Sanskrit is actually third person. So these are some of the. So don't go strictly by English meanings. It's better to kind of have their Sanskrit connotations in mind. So that will help kind of recalling this easily. Is there any doubts in any of this for any of you? Okay. So now we will do some exercise on the Srilinga Shabdas. So Shibani ji, Sa Ka,
Sa Sanchika.
no, I think it's Petika. Petika.
Petika.
Petika.
Sa Petika.
Shira Mahodaya, Sa Ka,
Sa. No,
you were not
it.
in the last class, right? Okay.
No, I was
So
not.
it's called Stalika.
Hi.
Stalika.
Stalika.
Stalika. Okay. Sa Ka, Shibani ji,
Sa
can you?
Mapika.
Mapika, ruler. Sriram Mahodaya,
Sa Chabika.
Chabika illa, Kunchika.
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 Kunchika. Shivani ji,
Agni Petika.
Agni Shalaka.
Shalaka.
Agni Shalaka.
Shalaka.
Okay. Then this one. Saka. This one. These two, you can say.
Shall I say that?
Oh, this. Yeah. You can.
Okay. Sa Utpitika.
Utpitika. And Sriram Mahodaya can say this. Sriram Mahodaya, this one.
Dvichalakava.
Dvichakrika.
Dvichakrika. Sorry.
Bicycle. Yeah. Dvichakrika. Okay. Shibani ji, do you know this?
Sa Javanika.
Javanika. Yeah. Okay. So those are all Akaranta Strilinga Shabdas. Now this is mostly Ikaranta Strilinga Shabdas. Sa Ka.
Sa
Shriram
Parvati.
Parvati. Yeah, Parvati. Ikaranta Strilingam. So when you call Parvati, it is Parvati only. But when you do the name, actual Nama Shabda is Parvati. Pratama Vibhakti is Parvati. What about this? Shibani ji? Saraswati. But in the shloka, Saraswati Namastubhyam. That is Hrasvam. Saraswati Namastubhyam, because there you are calling Saraswati. Hey Saraswati is Hrasvam. But Pratama Vibhakti is Dirgham. Saraswati. Okay. Ira Mahodaya, this one.
Nartika. Sa Nartika.
Nartaki.
Sorry.
Nartaki. Not Nartika, Nartaki. This one, I think it is a potter. I don't know from the picture. It's not very clear. Kulali is fine.
Kulali.
Or Kumbhakari is also okay.
Okay.
Right?
Kumbhakari.
So because I think Kulali, for some reason, they refer to the wife of a potter.
Oh, okay.
So maybe that's a reflection in the olden days. Maybe only men were actually doing the potting. So, but you can use Kumbhakari, then there is no issue. Okay. This one, Shriram Mahodaya.
Sa Balika.
Balika is fine, but she is actually drawing. So, based on that, can you give her name?
Painting, right?
Yeah, Chitrakari.
Chitrakari.
Chitrakari. So, these are all, you would have got the clue. These are all Ikaranta Strilinga Shabdas. Okay. So we learned Akaranta Pullinga Shabdas, Ikaranta Pullinga Shabdas, then Ukaranta Pullinga Shabdas, I think Guru, all of that we learned. And then in Srilinga, we have learned Akaranta Srilinga Shabdas and Ikaranta Srilinga Shabdas. Okay. So now we are going to talk about Napumsakalinga Shabdas. Napumsakalinga Shabdaha. So Napumsakalingam is neuter gender. So there are many words and you refer to them using tat and etat. So Pullinga Shabdas, how did you refer to Srira Mahodaya? Do you remember?
पुल्लिंग शब्द सह कह सह
Saha or Yeshaha.
एषः
Yesh.
एषः
Yeah, Saha is for a distant, the person in the distance, and Eshaha is person just nearby. Similarly, Shivaniji, for Srilinga Shabdas, what are the pronouns?
Sa, Esha.
Esha. So similarly, for Napumsakalinga Shabdas, it is Tat and Etat.
Etat.
Tat is that distant and Etat is this. Okay, that is and that tat pratama purushaha ekavachanam. Okay, so this is so here you can see even the objects will have persons, first person, second person. So it's not like only living humans should have pratama purushaha. This can be there for objects also. So that is tat is pratama purushaha, that is third person ekavachanam singular. Okay. Dure asti chet. If far, then we call tat. Tat should be distant, not nearby. Similarly, etat, this. This is somewhere nearby, relatively nearby. Etat. Pratama purushaha ekavachana. Samipe asti chet. So this is somewhere close by. So now tat etat, and then the question is kim. So what was the question word for Pullinga Shabda? Sriram Mahoday.
sorry Mahoday, can you repeat?
What is the question that is who, if you have to ask who in Pullinga, for Pullinga Shabdas, what is the word? Saha.
सः
So you said Saha and Eshaha. And what is the question? How will you ask? Who is he? How will you say that?
सः कः
Kaha. Kaha is the question. Correct. And Shivaniji, for Srilinga Shabdas, do you remember?
Sahaka.
Sa ka.
Saka.
Ka.
Sa.
So similarly for Napumsakalinga, the Shabda is Kim. Okay. Kim is the Shabda. So it's like you ask Tat Kim or Kim Tat. What is that? Or Etat Kim. What is this? Okay. So what is that and what is this? So Kim Tat, Kim Etat. Okay. So now we will familiarize ourselves with some Napumsakalinga Shabdaha. Tat etat. So first, Sriram Mahodaya, can you read this?
एतत् व्यजनम्
Vyajanam. Vyajanam. So you will see that most of the Napumsakalinga Shabdas, Akaranta Napumsakalinga Shabdas will end with Makara. Makara. Vyajanam. Okay. Vyajanam. In Ekavachanam. Okay. Ekavachanam, it will end in Vyajanam. Makara. So it is Etat Vyajanam. Okay. Shivaniji.
Tat Chatram.
Chatram means umbrella.
Umbrella.
Sriram Mahodaya.
तत् कङ्कतम्
Kankatam. Kankatam means comb. Shivani Mahodaya.
Etat Kankanam.
Kankanam. Kankanam means
Bangle.
whatever. Bangle. Sriram Mahodaya.
तत् पर्णम्
Okay, correct. Parnam means leaf.
Tat Pushpam.
Pushpam.
Flower.
Flower. Yeah.
तत् फलम्
Phalam. Phalam. Not phalam. It is Sanskrit means phalam only. Palam.
Phalam, right?
Phalam. Yeah. Yeah.
Etat vatayanam means
Yeah.
window.
Window. Vatayanam means window.
Window.
You know what is door? I think there might be a word that will come there. For
Uh,
door, it is dwaram.
Dwara.
Sriram Mohan.
Etat jalam.
Jalam. Jalam means water. We all know these. These are all common words. Shivani Mohode.
Etat vanam means jungle.
Yeah, jungle. Yeah.
Etat kundakam.
No,
Kandukam.
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 Kandukam means ball. Okay. Kandukam.
Etat udyanam. Udyanam
Udyanam. Udyanam means garden.
garden.
Yeah. Sriram
Tat
Mohode.
kridanganam.
Kridanganam. Kridanganam means playground. So one thing you have to start observing. Some words you see Kridanganam, you see Mahaprana na. Okay. Like some other words like Udyanam is Alpa Pranana. Okay. Similarly, if you look at this Skandukam is fine. Okay. You will see that Vanam, for example, is Alpa Prana. Okay. But there are other words where it is Mahaprana. So that, how do you know whether it is Alpa Prana or Mahaprana? There are some rules for that. It's called Natvam. That we will learn later. But for now, you will have to probably remember which words will have Alpa Pranana and Mahapranana, because it's very important. You cannot say Kridanganam. Okay. So that we will learn there is a specific rule for it. It's called Natvam. Natvam we will learn somewhere later, I think few classes down the lane. We will learn how to actually determine whether it is Alpa Pranana or Mahapranana. Okay. Even though both of them sound the same. Okay. So that we will learn. Okay. All right. Who is to go now? Shivani More.
Tat sanganakam means
Sanganakam.
computer.
Computer. Yeah.
Tat
Shriram.
netram.
Netram. Yeah.
Etat upanetram means spectacle.
Glasses, yeah.
Glasses.
Spectacles, Upanitra. Yeah. Sriram Hore.
Tat vimanam.
Vimanam. Yeah.
Tat nanakam means
Nanakam.
coin.
Coin. Yeah.
Tat pustakam.
Yeah.
Etat mandiram means temple.
Mandiram. Yeah. Temple.
Etat sutram.
Sutram means thread.
Thread.
Yeah. So there is another sutram, which is also the aphorism. Okay. Very pithy sayings are also called sutram. But here, sutram generally means thread.
Etat bilam.
Bilam. Bilam is a hole or a burrow. Animals burrow, right? That is also bilam. Hole, generally hole is bilam. Okay.
Tat durdarshanam.
Dura darshanam.
Duradarshanam.
Okay. Unlike Hindi, you can't short any letters here. You have to pronounce the whole word. Dura darshanam. Okay.
Etat pruthukam.
Yeah,
Means
pruthukam.
poha
Yeah,
or
poha.
flat rice.
Flat rice. Yeah, correct. Yeah. Pruthukam.
Etat krishna phalakam.
Krishna palakam means blackboard. Krishna means actually black, dark. Okay. So Lord Krishna is supposed to be dark in color. But the word Krishna, that is why you have Shukla Paksham and Krishna Paksham. That Krishna Paksham actually means It is the waning side of the moon, waning paksham. Okay. So waxing paksham is Shukla paksham. Shukla paksham is bright and Krishna paksham is dark. Okay. Etat Krishna palakam. Palakam means you can understand both. Yeah.
Etat nakshatram means
Nakshatra, star.
stars.
These are all common words. Yeah.
Etat Hridayam.
Hrudayam. Yeah. Heart.
Tat karavastram means handkerchief.
Yeah. Handkerchief. What is this?
Tat Payohim.
Payohimam.
Payohimam.
Yeah. Himam means cold or
Ice.
ice. And payo means milk. So ice cream. That is why payohimam. Okay. So that cold, from where only you get the word Himalaya and all that. Himalayam. Okay. That all that comes from that Himam root only. Or even Hemavati. Hemavati is Himalaya, that king, that Himadri's daughter is Hemavati. Okay. So all of that comes from that root Hima. Sriram Hode, can you read the question and then the answer also?
Tat Kim Tat Lokayanam.
Lokayanam. So Lokayanam means bus. Okay. So you will also see, for example, car, it is Karayanam. Okay. Karayanam is car. And then there is Relayanam is train. Okay. Relayanam. And also there is Yanam in general is vehicle. Okay. Jagat Rakshakanji, namaste. Do you normally come to this class or the other class? Jagat Rakshakanji, you're on mute.
Namaskar.
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 Do you normally come to this class or the other class? I've not seen you in this class, so that's why I'm asking.
Today only I joined.
Oh, you joined today only. Okay, okay.
Yes, yes.
Oh, okay, okay. So we are some 3-4 classes down the lane.
Uh,
In the Zoom, I have put a list and a note page, and if you look at that, it has our previous class materials
Okay.
and recordings and all of that. You
Okay.
can go through that so that you can come up to speed on this one.
Okay.
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 So we are now learning some Napumsaka Linga Shabdas. So neuter gender words. Because you joined in between, so you may have to kind of observe. And if you can read these, that is also good. So basically here we are saying Tat Kim means what is that? Okay. So from Napumsaka Linga Shabdas, Tat Kim means what is that? And then Tat Lokayanam. So here it refers to Lokayanam means a bus. Okay, Tat Lokayanam, that is a bus. Similarly, if you want to ask this and that, so if something object is nearby, it is Etat. Etat Kim. If it is like an object nearby, like a book, then you say Etat Pustakam. Like that. Okay, that's what we are doing right now. Maybe Shivani ji, you can read these words.
Mastakam means head.
Yeah.
Yutakam means
Yutakam,
shirt.
Yutakam.
Yutakam. Yutakam means shirt.
Yeah.
Urukam means trouser.
Pant, yeah, trousers, yeah. Yeah. Sriramji, can you?
Padatranam, which is shoe. Kundakam,
Kandukam,
ball.
Kandukam.
Kandukam ball. Vyajanam, fan.
Yeah. I think we have seen these two words before. Jagat Rakshakanji, can you try reading these words?
Parnam, Dwaram, Sasyam.
Sasyam, yeah.
Parnam
Sasyam
means
is a small plant. Parnam is leaves. and dwaram is door.
Door.
Shivani Mohoday.
Aushadham means medicine. Chitram, picture. Karayanam means car.
Yeah. So you can see here Karayanam. Okay. So that is why I said this Mahaprana, Alpaprana na in some cases will be different. You have to be noting down, but we will learn the rule sometime later. Okay. All right. So now we will do this one by one. So I will point out using my mouse and you can tell me what this is. Sriram Mohodaya.
Tat
Tat
kim
kim?
tat pustakam.
Okay. Shivani Mohodaya. Tat kim?
Tat kim? Tat pushpam.
Pushpam. Okay. Jagat Rakshakan Mohodaya.
Yeah.
Tat kim?
Tat palam.
Palam. Correct. Sriram Mohodaya.
Tat mandakam.
Mastakam.
Pustakam.
Mastakam. Okay. Actually, head also has another word, shiras, but that's not akaranta shabda. Okay. That's a different shabda. Okay. Shiraha, they say, no? Shiras, shiram, all that. But that's not a akaranta shabda. That's, I think, still napumsakalinga only, but that is a shiras shabda. Sakaranta shabda. Okay. Mastakam is the napumsakalinga shabda. Okay. All right. Shivani ji.
I don't recollect, sir.
That's okay. It's not common to us, right? So you will see this again and again. I think it is called Yutakam, right? Shirt.
Yutakam. Yutakam.
Yeah, Yutakam. And then trouser is Urukam.
Urukam.
Jagat Rakshakanji.
Tat kim? Tat vanam.
Vanam. Tat Vanam.
Vanam.
Sriram Mohodaya.
Tat jalam.
Jalam. Shibani Mohodaya.
Tat sanganakam.
Sanganakam. Yeah. Okay. Now we'll do some more. Etat Kim. Sriram Mohodaya.
Etat netram.
Etat Kim. Shivani Mohodaya.
Upanetram.
Upanetram. Okay. So Shivani Mohodaya, you can say this.
Etat
Padatranam. I think.
padatranam.
Yeah. Padam is legs. Tranam means anything that protects. So I think it is Padatranam. If I'm not wrong. Yeah. Okay. Sorry. One more we have to do right here. Sriram Mohodaya.
Tat etat kim etat
Kandukam.
Kandukam.
Kandukam. See, these words, if you don't remember, it is okay. Just keep on going through this, you will build the vocabulary. You don't have to remember by heart every single time, but it's just that keep on seeing this, then you will start using these words, then you will remember it. Just like any other language. Jagat Rakshakanji.
Etat kim? Etat dwaram.
Dwaram. Okay. Sriram Mohodaya.
Etat kim etat patram.
Parnam.
Sorry. Parnam.
Patram also, I think, is flowers only, as leaves only, but Parnam is the word. Parnam.
Okay.
Patram, Pushpam, Palam, Toyam. The shloka is there. Patram is also leaf. Patram can also be paper and all that. I think it's Parnam. Parnam is the word. Okay, this one we saw. Okay. So now Napumsaka Linga Bahuvachanam. So here the Rupam will change. So we said Pustakam, Yutakam, Pushpam, all of that was the Ekavachanam. Now Bahuvachanam, it changes from Tat to Tani. Okay. Tani. Similarly, question Kim to Kani. Okay. And similarly, Etat to Etani. It's plural, Bahuvachanam. So in the words, if you can see, the kam will become kani. So pustakam will become pustakani. Okay, hrasvani. Okay, pustakani. Similarly, palam will become what? Shriram Mahodaya?
तत् ये तानि कानि तानि फलानि.
Tani palani. Yeah. Jagat Rakshakan Mahodaya, can you read this?
तानि कानि तानि गन्धुकानि.
Kandukani, many balls. Okay. Shivani Mahodaya,
तानि कानि तानि पर्णानि.
Parnani. Yeah.
Multiple.
Yeah. Shriram Mahodaya.
तानि कानि तानि उपनेत्राणि.
Yeah, here you can look at this. This is suddenly Mahaprana now. It's not Alpa Prana. Okay, because of the Natvam. We will learn that later in down. But you have to note for now. Note down. It's not Upanetrani. It is Upanetrani. Okay, Mahaprana. Jagat Rakshakanji.
तानि कानि तानि पुष्पाणि.
Yeah, here also see Pushpani. Ni is Mahaprana. Okay, now we will look at, I will ask Tani Kani, one by one we can say. Shriram Mahodaya.
तानि उपनेत्राणि.
Yeah. Shivani Mahodaya.
तानि कानि तानि पुस्तकानि.
Pustakani. Jagat Rakshakan Mahodaya.
तानि कानि तानि पुष्पाणि.
Pushpani. Yeah. Shriram Mahodaya. You keep getting this.
तानि कुन्दकानि.
Kandukani. Shivani ji.
तानि कानि तानि उरुकाणि.
Urukani. Jagat Rakshakan ji.
तानि कानि तानि फलानि.
Palani. Good. Okay, now Etani Kani. Shriram Mahodaya.
एतानि युतकानि.
Yutakani.
युतकानि.
Etani Kani. Shivani ji.
एतानि मस्तकानि.
Mastakani. Etani Kani. Jagat Rakshakan ji.
एतानि ऊरुकानि.
Urukani. Urukani. Correct. Yes, right. Urukani. I don't know if it is Urukani or Urukani. I'll have to check. Okay. Etani Kani. Shriram Mahodaya.
एतानि वनानि.
Yeah. If you look at this is Alpa Pranana, not Mahaprana. Vanani only. Okay. Etani Kani. Shivani Mahodaya.
एतानि व्यजनानि.
Vyajanani. So now it is Mishrana Abhyasaha. Means these next set of objects will have all three lingas lingams combined. So it's not going to be one lingam or the other. You cannot easily guess. So you'll have to kind of remember. Okay. Shriram Mahodaya, this one.
This one, chamachah.
Chamasaha. What shabda is that?
Chamasaha is Napunsakaliga.
No. Chamasaha is Pullinga shabda. The spoon as an object is inanimate or non-living, but the shabda is still Pullinga shabda only. Chamasaha. Akaranta Pullinga shabda. Okay. So if you have to point to that, how will you say?
Pullinga shabda, na? So saha.
Saha chamasaha. Saha chamasaha. Esha chamasaha. This is that. It's like long.
That.
It's like seem like a long space. So it is Saha Chamasaha. Okay. Yeah. Jagat Rakshakan Mahodaya, this one.
तत् किं
Mm.
तत् पुस्तकम्
Pustakam, correct. Shivani Mahodaya, this one.
सा का
Mm.
सा पेटिका
Sa Petika, correct. Shriram Mahodaya,
Tat kim tat palam.
Palam, correct. Okay, now Jagat Rakshakan Mahodaya, you know this? Okay,
एषा
it is. So
एषा
I'll probably go to Shivani ji and Shriram, because you probably have not learned these
दूरवाणी
words.
और
एषा
Duravani,
दूरवाणी
एषा
Duravani.
दूरवाणी
Esha Duravani, correct. Esha Duravani. Shriram Mahodaya,
Sa ka sa mapika.
Mapika, correct. This one, remember this? Shivani Mahodaya,
सा एषा का नो नॉट एषा No, I will recollect.
it is Asandaha, I think.
आसन्दः so
It is Pullinga Shabda. So how will you
एषः
say that?
कः एषः कः
Yeah.
एषः कः
Eshaha
एषः आसन्दः
Asandaha. You remember this? Shriram Mahodaya?
It's a stone, no?
Hmm.
Rock.
Stone or rock, whatever.
No, I don't remember, sir.
Shilakandaha.
Kilakanda.
खण्ड
Shilakandaha. So it is okay if you don't remember, because even I don't remember some words sometimes. It's better to kind of repeatedly get exposed to these words so that you can that word vocabulary will build. So Shilakandaha is which one? Which sabda?
Pullinga.
Pullinga shabda. So you say Eshaha
Isha.
Shilakandaha.
Isha Silakanda.
Okay. There is one here that came up. Shivani ji, you remember this? It's a cat, I think.
सा का सा मा
No,
no
Sakava.
it is सः कः सः मार्जारः
Marjaraha or Bidalaha, I think. No?
बिडाल
Bidalaha is also cat, I think. Jagat Rakchakanji, I don't know if you know any of this, you can also answer. Because these are all from the last classes, so I'm just skipping you for now. If you think you know, you can also let me know. You can answer also. Shriramji.
It's don't remember the name.
Yeah. So this is Utpitika. Utpitika, I think.
So it's Strilinga Sabda.
Srilinga Sabda. Sa Utpitika.
Sa Utpin.
Okay. So this one is another set of objects. Jagat Rakshakanji, this one should be easy.
सः कः सः काकः
Kakaha. Kakaha is Pullinga Shabda. Okay. Shivani ji,
सा का सा कुञ्चिका
Kunchika. Shriram Mahodaya,
No, sir. I don't recollect.
Saha Talaha, I think. Talaha. Okay. Jagat Rakshakanji, I will point you to this. This is medicine. So tell me, what is this?
एतत् किम् एतत् औषधम्
Aushadam. Very good. Yeah. So, Shriram Mahodaya, you remember this? This is a dog, by the way. I think there were two words we learned for dog, if I'm not wrong. Both of them akarantas pullinga shabdas. Shunakaha Shunakaha, and the other one is Kukuraha, I think. That is also a dog. Shibaniji?
एषः सः कः सः न सा का सा अग्निपेटिका अग्निशलाका
Agnichalaka.
yeah.
This one, Shriram Mahodaya.
It's a clock. No, sorry.
एषा का
Clock is Gati.
एषा का
Gati.
Esha ka, Esha Gati. Shivani Mahodaya, you want to try this?
द्रोणी एषा का एषा द्रोणी
Droni.
द्रोणी
Yeah. That's one. I think this is a stick. This point. Jagat Rakchakanji, you want to try this?
एषा का एषा मापिका
No, this is not a mapika. This is not a ruler. This is a stick. Stick. It is actually. So Sriram Mahodaya, you want to? Yeah.
Esha Dandika.
Dandaha. So Eshaha Dandaha.
Esha
So Dandaha is a stick. Okay. There are two more. Maybe Jagat Rakchakanji, you can try this. This is a simple. This one.
तत् किं तत् वनम्
No, this is not Vanam. Vanam is forest.
वृक्षः सः कः
Saha Vrikshaha. Correct. Very good. Shriram Mahodaya.
The glass. Sorry.
Chashakaha.
Chashakaha. Esha Chashakaha.
Eshaha Chashakaha. Okay. Shivaniji.
कर्णः
Yeah.
सः कः सः कर्णः
Karnaha. Yeah. Okay. So just summary. Pullinga Shabda Rupam. Akaranta Pullingam. Ekavachanam. It will come as Ramaha. Kind of thing. Ramaha, Krishnaha. All of that. And then Bahuvachanam is Ramaha. So, Shivaniji, can you read the Ikaranta Strilinga? Ikaranta Pullinga.
Ikaranta Pullinga ekvachanam is Harihi.
Harihi, not Harihi. Harihi.
Harihi. And
Yeah.
Bahuvachanam is Harayaha.
Harayaha. Okay. Jagat Rakshakanji, third line, can you read?
उकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः गुरुः गुरवः
Guravaha. Guruhu, Guravaha. Okay. Sriramji, Strilinga Shabda Rupam, can you read?
Akarantaha ekavachanam balika.
Akarantaha.
Ekavachanam balika. Bahuvachanam balika. Balikaha.
Yeah. And Ikaranta also you can read. Shivaniji, you can read.
Ikaranta ekvachanam.
Ikaranta
ekvachanam is Nadi.
Yeah.
And Bahuvachanam is
Nadyaha. So, okay, I'll give you one thing. So, Nadi is Nadyaha, right? What is the plural form of Parvati?
Parvatyaha.
Correct. What is plural form of Droni?
Dronyaha.
Correct. So, okay. Napumsakalinga Rupam, this is what we learned today. Jagat Rakchakanji, you can read this.
उकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गे शब्दरूपं पुस्तकं
Pustakam, yeah. pustakani.
पुस्तक
Yeah. Okay. Prashnavachaka shabdaha. This is the question. So, Sriram Mohodaya, you can read the first one, Pullinga Shabda.
पुल्लिंग एकवचनं कः बहुवचनं के
Ke. Okay. Kaha ke. Shivani ji, Strilinga Shabda.
स्त्रीलिंग एकवचनम प्रश्नवाचक शब्द है का and बहुवचनम is काहा.
Kaha. Okay. And Jagat Rakshakanji, third one, Napumsakalinga.
नपुंसकलिङ्गम् एकवचनं किं बहुवचनं कानि
Okay. So, any doubts so far in Napumsakalingam or any of the things?
In this slide, the
Yeah.
when you say strilinga or pullinga, the first two lines is
Yeah.
Esha Kaha, then this K also will be Esha K or Eshe K?
Ete ke.
Ete K.
Ete ke. That we learned in Pullinga. So, Eshaha kaha, saha kaha, ete ke, te ke. Okay. So, te ke. Te is the plural Bahuvachanam for Pullinga Shabda. Te ke. Strilinga Shabda, Esha
Esha
ka,
Ka,
sa ka. Okay.
Sa
And
Ka,
Eshaha kaha.
Esha
And
Ka.
saha kaha. Okay, sorry, taha kaha. Taha kaha. Okay. And Napumsakalingam, etat
Etat,
kim, tat kim, and then etani kani, tani kani.
okay.
Okay. So, okay, now we will go to the katha. So, Ida Mahodaya, maybe read one sentence at a time. We will just try to understand the meaning. Okay.
कथा एकस्मिन् वने अनेके काकाः वृक्षस्य शाखासु वसन्ति
Okay. You can get any. Can you understand anything from this?
एकस्मिन् means in once in a
In
time, once upon a time.
It's not once upon a time. Once upon a time is ekada. Ekasmin is in one forest. In one forest, one of the forests.
In one of the forests, one is forest. Aneke kakaha, that means a lot, many crows.
Uh,
Vrikshasya means on the tree, shaka,
Yeah.
branches of the tree.
Yeah, Shakasu,
Vasanti.
Vasanti. Okay, here you have to note few things. So, what is this Shabda? Kakaha. So, this is what Shabda? Can someone give the Shabda Rupam for this?
This is Akaranta Bahuvachanam.
Akaranta
Akaranta
Pullinga Bahuvachanam. You have to say all the denominations. It's Pullingam and it is Bahuvachanam also. Okay. And Pratama Vibhakti. That we don't have to worry about right now. But Bahuvachanam. So what is the Ekavachanam for this, Sriram Mahodaya?
Kakaha.
Kakaha. Correct. So Ekasmin Vane Aneke Kakaha Vrikshasya Shakasu Vasanti. So verb is Vasanti. So actually in Ekavachanam it would have been Vasati. If it is Kakaha, it is Vasati. If it's like one crow, you say Vasati. But because it is Bahuvachanam, Kakaha, it's Vasanti. Okay. They live. They all live. Okay. Shivani Mohode, next sentence.
वृक्षस्य अधः कोटरे एकः सर्पः वसति.
Yeah.
Here वृक्षस्य अधः I think means below.
Adaha means below.
Below. Kotare, I assume means there is a hole or
Yeah, whole. Yeah, kotare. Yeah.
one snake is staying.
Lived. Yeah.
Lived.
So ekaha sarpaha vasati. So one snake lived. So you can see that here it is vasanti. Here it is vasati.
Vasati.
Okay. Verb is vasati. Adaha we saw below. Sarpaha.
Sarpaha
Now,
is the ekvachan.
if it is Bahuvachanam for sarpaha, how will you say?
Sarpaha. I think it is
Sarpaha is what
Sarpaha.
form first of all? Sarpaha is what form?
It's a Pullinga Ekavachan.
Yeah,
Akaranta
Akaranta Pullinga.
Pullinga.
Yeah,
So
Ekavachanam.
Sarpaha,
Sarpaha.
Sarpaha,
Sarpaha is the plural.
Sarpaha.
Okay. Okay. Jagat Rakshakan B, the third line.
यदा काकाः प्रातः बहिः आहारार्थं गच्छन्ति तथा सर्पः वृक्षम् आरुह्य काकविषून् खादति
Kakashishun Kadati.
शिशून् खादति
Yeah. So here the verb is, there are two verbs here. Gachanti. Gachanti because it is plural referring to kakaha. It's multiple toes. And then tarpaha kadati.
खादति
One snaky. So what does its meaning is? Yada kakaha, when the crows, prataha in the morning. Prataha means morning. Prataha bahihi aharartam gachanti. Bahihi means they go out, they fly out in the morning for sake of getting food. Aharartam gachanti. When they go out, tada, at that time, when yada is when and tada is at that time. Okay, yada tada. When they go out, then the sarpaha, then the snake, what does it do? Vriksham aruhya. Aruhya means it climbed up the tree. Kakashishun. What is kakashishun? Kakashishun is the young one, young crow. I don't know what you call it in English, crowlings or something. The young ones of the crow who have still not learned how to fly. They are very small. Kakashishun kadati. Kadati means eat. So now the young ones are eaten when the crows fly out. Okay. Aharartam gachanti. So here again you see gachanti because it is plural. Kakaha gachanti. So if it is kakaha, Shriram Mahodaya, it is only one crow. Yada kakaha prataha bahihi aharartam, then what will you say here? Can you
यदा
guess?
यदा काकः प्रातः बहिः आहारार्थं गच्छति
Gachati, not gachanti, gachati. If it is one crow, then this will become singular. Okay. Okay. So instead of kakaha, let's pick some other word, some other strilinga shabda.
Chataka.
Chataka is the strilinga shabda, right? So yada chataka prataha bahihi aharartam. What do you say?
गच्छन्ति
Gachanti only, because it does not differ based on the lingam. The kriya padam, which is gachanti, is the kriya padam. It does not change based on the lingam of the thing. Okay, it is still the same. Tada sarpaha vriksham aruhya kakashishun kadati. Okay. Next one, Shivani Mohoday.
No, I think
Oh, sorry, Jagat
Shriram
Rashtakanji.
Mohan.
Sriram Mohoday. Okay. Yeah.
काकाः दुःखिताः
You can read the next line also.
तदन्तरं ते एकं
Tadanantaram.
वृद्धं काकं साहाय्यं प्रार्थयन्ति
Tadanantaram te ekam vruddham kakam sahayyam prarthayanti. Kakaha dukkitaha. What did you get from that?
Crows were unhappy
Unhappy. Yeah.
or
Dukkitaha, they were
sad.
sad. Not, yeah. Because
Tadantaram
they're,
means
yeah.
Tadantaram means post that they
Tadanantaram.
Tadanantaram.
Tadanantaram. Tat anantaram means after that.
After that,
Yeah.
the crows ekam vruddham. So one old crow. They sought the help of. They requested the help
Old.
of old crow Sahayam.
Yeah. Yeah. So te, you see the te? So you asked what is the plural form for akarantas pullinga shabdas. Saha kakaha, te kakaha. Okay, te kakaha. So instead of, you can also say tadanantaram kakaha ekam vriddham kakam sahayam prartayanti. So prartayanti refers to kakaha, or in this the pronoun used is te. Te is multiple kakas. Okay. So tadanantaram, after that, all the crows, ekam vriddham kakam. So one old crow, they approached one old crow. Sahayam prartayanti, they asked for a help on this matter. Prartayanti. Prartayanti is plural form, is praying. Praying means seeking help. Now, Shivani Mohode, if it is only one kaka, one crow, kakaha asti chet, tadanantaram saha. Okay, so can you tell me how that
Tadnantaram
this sentence, if it is only one crow, how it would have been, this sentence would have been rephrased?
तदनन्तरं सः एकं वृद्धं काकं साहाय्यं प्रार्थयति.
Prartayati. Sahayam prartayati. Okay. All right. Who is next now?
I'm
You have to read it. Shivani Mohode. Yeah.
वृद्धकाकस्य उपदेशम् अनुसृत्य धीरः काकः नदीं गच्छति.
Nadim gachati.
नदीं गच्छति. वृद्धकाकस्य उपदेशम् after that old crow उपदेश, I don't know about अनुसृत्य. धीरः काकः नदीं गच्छति. धीरः maybe courageous cock went to a river, but I don't know the
How many crows went?
Single.
Yeah, the Dhiraha Kakaha. There is only one crow, one brave crow. So Vriddha Kakasya is the old crow, advised them. So based on that advice, Upadesham Anusrutya, following that advice. Anusrutya means following. Following the advice of the old crow, Dhiraha Kakaha, one crow, Dhiraha Kakaha. So if it is multiple crows, if all of them flew, then how will you say this?
Kakaha
Kakaha
nadim gachanti.
gachanti. Correct. So this is only one crow. So Anusrutya Dhiraha Kakaha Nadim Gachati. Okay. Jagat Rakshakanji, the next sentence. Jagat Rakshakanji, you are in mute. I don't know if he's there. Sriram Mahodaya, you can read.
Tatra Rajakumari Snanam Karoti.
So what did you get?
There the princess was taking her bath.
Yeah, Snanam Karoti. Okay, Tatra Rajakumari. So Rajakumari is what Shabdam? Can you tell me the Rupam of that?
Strilinga, Ekavachanam Strilingam.
And which Antam?
Ikaranta.
Ikaranta Strilinga Ekavachanam. So if it is in Bahuvachanam, how will that Rajakumari change?
Rajakumari.
Nadi will change to what?
Nadyaha.
Nadyaha. So Rajakumari will change to?
Rajakumaryaha.
Yeah, Rajakumaryaha. So you can, okay, so Rajakumari Snanam Karoti, which means she is taking bath. Okay, Tatra means that place, in that location. Okay, okay, who is going to? Shivani-ji.
तस्याः आभरणं नदीतीरे सिकतीयाम् अस्ति. Her jewelry, Sikatayam, I don't know, but I assume
Sikatayam, I have to
it
check
is
what it is. Yeah.
laying there near the river shore. They were laying there.
Nadi Tire is itself bank, so let us
Yeah.
check what is Sikatayam. Actually, Sikatayam. So you all know this resource, right? Sanskrit
Yes, he told in I think third class.
Sanskrit dictionary. It's a very useful place. Sikatayam, Sikata, Sikataya, Sikata. What is Sikata? Sikata is sand. Okay. So in the Nadi Tire is what
River bank.
a river bank, and in that, okay, wait. Yeah. Okay, now I'll go. Yeah, Nadi Tire Sikatayam means in the sand near the banks of the river. Abaranam. Abaranam. So Abaranam is what Shabda, Shivani ji?
Abharanam is Napumsakalinga
Ekavachanam. If it is in Bahuvachanam, how will it be?
Abharanani.
Abharanani. Okay. Abharanani. Okay. And then if it is Abharanani, then what will be the verb? Nadi Tire. Asti is plural is Santi. Okay. That you learn. So you are not expected to know this now, but Asti will become Santi. Just like your Prartayanti, Prartayati. Similarly, Asti is Santi. Okay. Okay. Jagat Rakshakanji, you're back. You're there.
No, he has messaged that he will be on hearing mode.
Okay, okay. So Sriramji, you can read the next one.
Kakah Abharanam Adaya Vriksham Prati Gachati.
Yeah.
Kakah, which crow, Abharanam is the jewelry or ornament.
Yeah.
Adaya Vriksham Prati Gachati.
Adaya is taking away that jewels.
Okay, Adaya is taking away and it keeps it near the tree.
Yeah. So you can see the exact meaning of Adaya. Just give me a second. I think it is taking away only. It can mean some other very specific. Yeah. Having taken. Adaya is having taken. Taking. Yeah. Okay. So Adaya. Okay. Having taken the jewels. Kakaha. There's only one crow. Okay. Vriksham prati gachati. So it goes near that tree where it lives. Okay. So Shivani ji.
तदा राजकुमार्याः सेवकाः काकम् अनुगत्य वृक्षस्य समीपं गच्छन्ति. Then Rajkumari सेवकः सेवकाः अनुगत्य followed. They followed crow and reached, I think, went to near the vriksha.
Yeah, near the tree where it lived. Because it took away the jewels to its tree, so they also followed it. So here, Rajakumaryaha, so this one is not, it's a different vibhakti. Okay, so we will learn it later. Rajakumaryaha means Rajakumaris, it's like a possessive case. Rajakumaris soldiers. Okay, so Sevakaha, can you say what is the Rupam?
Sevakaha.
Sevakaha here.
Sevakaha is Pullinga Anekvachan.
Pullinga?
Aneka Bahuvachanam.
Bahuvachanam. Akaranta Pullinga Bahuvachanam. And if it is Ekavachanam, how will it look like?
Sevakaha.
Sevakaha. Okay, and then you see kakam. Okay, so looking at kakam, you should not say kakam is a napumsakalingam. No, it is not a napumsakalingam. It is dvitiya vibhakti, which we will learn later. Okay, so that can be a little confusing. People think, okay, kakam means it ends with im, so it has to be napumsakalingam. No, it is not. Okay, it is actually kakaha is the shabda. Kakam is the dvitiya vibhakti of that kaka shabda. So which we will learn later. Don't worry about that now. Okay, Vrikshasya Samipam Gachanti. Okay, it goes near the tree. Okay, Sriram Mahodaya, next sentence.
काकः आभरणं वृक्षस्य कोटरे क्षिपति.
Shipati, yeah.
So it places it in the hole.
Yeah, near the hole. Puts down, rather. Shipati is just throwing down. Okay. Okay, Shivani Mahodaya, next one.
सर्पः बहिः आगच्छति. Sarpa came out.
Yeah. Okay, next one, Sriram Mahodaya.
सेवकाः तत् दृष्ट्वा काकाः सन्तोषेण
Kotarasya.
तत् दृष्ट्वा कोटरस्य बहिः काष्ठैः ताडयन्ति.
Yeah.
So Sevakaha is the servants. Tat drishtva, when they see it,
When they see what?
Kotarasya means take bahihi, out of the hole. Kashthaye tadayanti, with the stick they are pushing it. I don't know what is that.
Tadayanti means beating. Okay.
Beating.
Tadayanti. Why Tadayanti? Because Sevakaha Tadayanti. Multiple servants. They all bet. Why Tat Drishtva? Tat Drishtva means Tat means where. Tat here refers to what?
When they see the Tat drishtva means when they see it.
Tat means what? Tat is it points to an object which is here.
The snake.
Snake. Actually, it should have been Saha Drishtva only, but here it is Tat Drishtva. Okay, it is okay in some usage because Sarpaha is actually a Akaranta Pullinga. Okay. So, but here Tat Drishtva is fine because it is, I think it is, I have to check the usage, but it refers to the snake. Kotarasya Bahihi Kashtaihi. So, in the outside the hole, Kashtam means lot of the
Sticks.
wood or the sticks. Yeah, sticks you can say, or even the twigs that has fallen out of the tree. Using the twigs. Tadayanti means they bed the snake. Okay.
The kasthai is a anek bahuvachan, or is it a?
It is bahuvachanam, but it is not pratama vibhakti. It is tritiya vibhakti. Using the sticks. It gives the meaning using the sticks. Kashtaihi.
So, what is the ekvachan? Kashtaha?
No, the root word is kashtaha, and bahuvachanam it has to be kashtaha. Okay. But kashtaihi is tritiya vibhakti. It is the instrument case where you say using the sticks. So it gives the meaning using the sticks. It's not just sticks. Okay. Kashtaihi tadayanti means with the help of the sticks, using the sticks, they bet the snake. Okay. So that is why it is kashtaihi. So it is, you will learn about the tritiya vibhakti later. So if it is only prathama vibhakti, the first, it should have been kashtaha. And in bahuvachanam, it should be kashtaha. Okay. So it's akaranta pullinga shabda. Okay. Sriram Mahodaya. Who have to learn? Shibani ji or Sriram Mahodaya? Sorry, Shibani ji. Yeah.
Yeah. Sevakaha marayanti sarpam.
And next line also you can lead.
Okay. Kakaha santoshena nivasanti. The meaning of Sevakaha marayanti sarpam. Sevak killed the sarpa, and
Snake.
Kakaha santoshena. So the crows live happily.
Yeah. So here you see sarpam is there. Sarpam is not napumsakalinga shabda. Sarpam is Dvitiya Vibhakti of Sarpaha. Okay.
Oh.
So it is Pullinga Shabda only, but it's Dvitiya Vibhakti. So that's just by seeing the Ma, you should not conclude it is a Napumsakalingam. So that's the point. Sarpam here it refers to the Dvitiya Vibhakti. They killed the snake, which means snake is the object in that sentence. They is the Sevakaha is the subject. Marayanti, that is the action, and Sarpam is the object. Who did they kill? They killed the snake. So that to refer to that object usage, you have Sarpam. That is Dvitiya Vibhakti. So Dvitiya Vibhakti we will learn later. Don't have to worry about it. So we have only learned Prathama Vibhakti. So that is why Sevakaha, Sevakaha. Okay. Sarpaha, Sarpaha. Okay. And then Kakaha, Santoshena Nivasanti. They are happy. They lived happily. Okay. Santoshena Nivasanti. Okay. So any questions? We are almost time. Any questions? Prashnaha Santiva?
No.
Okay. So, all right. So we will then conclude. Maybe one of you can do the shlokas.
Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramayaha Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschit Dukha Bhavet Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om Tat Sat.
Namaskaraha. Punarmilamaha.
धन्यवाद.
Dhanyavada.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.